Swelling around the eyes is caused by an excessive accumulation of fluids in the surrounding skin tissue. Because the skin around the eyes is very thin, swelling and discoloration can be quite visible. There are many ways to help reduce puffiness around your eyes. Enough sleep. Getting a good night's sleep on a regular basis will help you reduce puffy eyes. Use a cold spoon. Leave 2 clean teaspoons in your freezer, and on puffy mornings, simply press them against your eyes for a few minutes. Cucumber slices. Cucumbers contain antioxidants that can help reduce irritation and soothe swollen eyes. Try placing a slice of cold cucumber over each eye for 30 minutes. Potatoes. Grate 2 tablespoons of raw potato, put the gratings into 2 empty tea bags, then place them on their closed eyelids. Cold rub. Gently rubbing the swollen tissue may help drain the collected fluid. Cool compress. Green or black tea bags can be used as a compress. Antioxidants and caffeine in the tea can help to reduce inflammation and constrict blood vessels. Splashing cold water over your face and eyes. Address your allergies. Consult your doctor if you suffer from seasonal allergies. Drink water. Eye puffiness can be the result of dehydration. Reduce salt. Excessive salt consumption can result in increased fluid retention in your body. Potassium. Potassium can help your body reduce excess fluids, so you may want to increase your potassium intake. Consider using an eye cream. There are numerous eye creams on the market that may help to reduce puffiness. Chamomile, cucumber, and arnica are some ingredients to look for in an eye cream. These all have anti-inflammatory and skin-tightening properties. If you have the same puffy look around your eyes as your mother or father, it's most likely an inherited trait. To get rid of the puffiness, you may want to consider cosmetic eyelid surgery. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.